Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to address a question I've always wondered, and that is, how many views do you need to make $1 on YouTube? Now there are actually tons of ways you can make money on YouTube, such as by selling stuff through affiliate links in the descriptions. You can promote a brand and then that company can pay you for promoting it. You can use your YouTube channel to attract attention to your own brand or products and other stuff like that. But the main way you can make money on YouTube is by putting ads in your videos. In this video, I'm focusing purely on the money you make on those advertisements, and I'll determine how many views you need to make $1 using just that method. YouTube pay out 68% of the money that they make from their creators. So that means if your channel generates $1,000 from advertisements, you can expect to make $680 from that. Advertisers, however, do not pay content creators for ads that are simply shown on their YouTube videos, but more specifically for advertisements that are actually viewed. So that means if you skip an ad after just 5 seconds, then the YouTuber will not get paid because you didn't actually watch the ad. The amount that advertisers pay per ad view varies significantly based on factors that I'll discuss later in the video. On average, a YouTuber receives about $18 for every 1,000 times an ad has been properly viewed on their video. Based on this, a YouTuber should expect to receive about $1 for every 55 times an ad has been viewed on their video. According to the statistics that I can find, for every 6 people who skip a YouTube ad, 1 will watch. And so this works out to be around $1 for every 350 views or so. And that or a similar answer is what most people seem to be happy to accept. However, like most things in life, there are complicating factors that need to be considered if we want to be more precise in determining how many views equate to $1 in earnings. One thing I learned while researching for this video is that where your audience lives has a huge impact in terms of how much advertisers are willing to pay you. One example I found comes from the YouTube channel Starting Up. This guy decided to use his data from analytics to work out how much he was making per 1,000 views for each country that the viewer watched the video in. And there turns out to be huge differences in terms of how much was actually earned. He managed to work out that if you get 1,000 views from Norway or Finland, you may get upwards of $40. Whereas if 1,000 people from Pakistan watch your videos, you may only expect to get around 99 cents for those views. And so just to be clear, it doesn't so much matter where you, the content creator, is, but rather where your audiences are, that determines how much you'll be earning per 1,000 views. And so technically you could tailor your videos to be aimed at audiences that will result in higher earnings. And so if I'm speaking Norwegian in my next video, you'll know why. Another factor that determines how much advertisers pay is what type of ads are used in your videos. For example, if an ad appears at the beginning of a video and is only 5 seconds in length, then it's impossible to skip it, and so it's easier to make money this way. Although advertisers generally pay less for these short ads to be shown. Another way to increase earnings is to use banner ads, which appear along the bottom of a video, and so then the viewer needs to click on the X to close it. Advertisers pay for these regardless of how long they've been shown for, and so then this is obviously good for the YouTuber. At the start of this video, I mentioned that the amount that advertisers are willing to pay varies significantly. This can be based on factors such as your niche. Advertisers generally pay more on videos and channels that feature subjects such as the stock market or money or technology, even subjects such as makeup and fitness, than when compared to advertisements that are shown in videos with religious content or fluffy cat or panda bear videos. Sorry kitty. Meow. The difference in earnings is given a number in what's called a CPM, or cost per mille. Mille means 1,000 and refers to the amount of money that advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 ad views. As I said earlier, subjects like the stock market have a higher CPM, meaning that they pay more per 1,000 views. Unfortunately, as a lot of new YouTubers will be aware, you can't just start up a YouTube channel and then immediately start making money in 2020. You first need to gain 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours over the previous 365 days before you even become eligible to showing ads on your videos. And as for channels like mine, that's obviously going to take a while. The days when you can just start up a YouTube channel and just immediately start making money are sadly over. Also, when it comes to making money on YouTube, $100 is the least that YouTube pay out per month. And so that means when you do make your first dollar on YouTube, it'll probably take a while before you actually get it, because of the reasons I've just mentioned. So I hope that's answered the question. Don't be afraid to let me know what you think of the video in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because why not? I'll see you at my next video. Ha det bra!